In this video, I'll be teaching you subtraction of numbers with remainder. So number one, we have 268 minus 173. Remember, we are starting from the right hand side. 8 minus 3 is 5. 6 minus 7 cannot go. So we have to borrow 1 from 2. We borrow 1 from here to make it 16. And then we are left with 1 because we borrowed 1 from here. 16 minus 7 is 9. 1 minus 1 is 0. And that's our answer. I hope you're following. Number 2, we also start from our right hand side. 2 minus 4 cannot go. Therefore, we have to borrow from this number. We borrow 1 over to this place to make it 12. And here, as we removed 1 from here, we borrowed 1 from there, we are going to be left with 2. 12 minus 4 is 8. We are left with 2 here. 2 minus 2 is 0. And 4 minus 3 is 1. And that's our answer. Finally, number 3, we have, start from the right hand side. 0 minus 1, it cannot go. We have to borrow from here to make it 10. And here we'll be left with 2. 10 minus 1 is 9. We are left with 2 here, remember. 2 minus 4 cannot go. We have to borrow from 5. We borrow 1 from 5 to make it 12. And now we are left with 4. 12 minus 4 is 8. And remember, we are left with 4 since we borrowed 1 from here. 4 minus 3 is 1. And that's our answer. If you have something like this, how will you solve it? Please, let's look closely. 4 minus 8 cannot go. And we have to borrow 1 from here. But this is 0. And it looks like we can't borrow from there. So all you have to do is jump to the next number, which is 6. Borrow 1 from 6 and add it to 0 to make it 10. And therefore we're left with 5. Also, from this 10 now, borrow 1 from here to 4 to make it 14. And now we'll be left with 9. Then before we go ahead to subtract, 14 minus 8 is 6. 9 minus 5 is 4. And 5 minus 3 is 2. And that's our answer. So let's solve something like this again. 2 minus 8 cannot go. And we have to borrow 1, and here we have 0, which is not possible for us to borrow from. We have to move over to this next number, which is 4. We'll borrow 1 from here and add it to 0 to make it 10. And this 4 will be left with 3. From this 10, we'll also borrow 1 from there to make this 12. Therefore, this will be left with 9. Now we have 12. 12 minus 8 is 4. 9 minus 9 is 0. 3 minus 2 is 1. And that's our answer. Thank you for watching.